Hello! Okay, today we're going to be attempting to eliminate the batteries in the Blink video doorbell. Now, I'm sure you're aware that these are run off two AA batteries. It's okay, nothing wrong with it. Supposedly they last quite a while, but then again it's down to how much you use it, isn't it, really? So anyway, I got to thinking, these are producing around 3 volts, just over. I thought, well, why can't we put a power supply to it of 3 volts? So I did a bit of searching and I came across, well, this is by AIEVE, I don't know how it's pronounced. A battery eliminator. And this produces 3.3 volts. So my theory was, surely it'll run the camera. Comes with one dummy battery and another dummy battery which is wired in to this ribbon cable, and then to 3 volt transformer. But you can get different ones of these, but my thinking was this ribbon cable, it could fit behind this door without me having to drill any holes or the likes of in the back plate. So let's get it let's get the batteries put in and see if it works. Okay, so I'm thinking if we fold the wire over something like that, hopefully with it being just a thin ribbon cable, we can trap it behind this back door and the door will still close. Get it the right way around. Well, yeah, it does. So hopefully that's still watertight, but you could always put a little bit of sealant there, couldn't you? See, my plan would be to bring this round the back, drill a hole through the door frame for this wire to go through. So through the mounting back plate on the door frame. Yeah, let's plug it in and see if it works anyway. So we've got that bit there. Okay, let's switch it on and see if we've got any power. Well, we've got a glowing red light, so it's connecting. Yeah, well, that's positive. Let's click on live view and see what we get. Well, yeah. Well, that seems to be working, doesn't it? So that now is running off main supply. Yeah, I think this should work. No more worry about batteries if it does. See, my plan is to drill through here, come out this side. Hopefully there's nothing in the door frame that'll cause an issue, and then I can run the wire up. So a bit of light. I can run the wire up from there, poke the ribbon cable through the door frame, fasten this wire up all the way across, and grab the power from that socket. So yeah, I'll get on with that, see how it goes on. Okay, so we're all done. Wasn't as easy, well, it was easy enough to drill through. But what happened was the cable, as I was feeding it through, disappears down inside the door frame, and I had to sort of fish it through. But yeah, it's done. I will get some silicone in here to fill this hole up. At the moment I've just taped it up and around, but I'll find a better way to do that. But for now, yeah, just hoping that go back out here again. Just hoping that no water gets in the camera. I don't think it will, because that was a tight fit, that ribbon cable. So hopefully it'll be okay. But let me show you it working. So a quick press of the doorbell. And there we have it. There we have a view of the outside. So yeah, it appears to be working, doesn't it? So I've eliminated the batteries from the video doorbell, he says confidently. Yeah, time will tell. I'll do some better tests with it, but yeah, it seems to be working. I can't see why it won't, because it's supplying a constant 3.3 volt, which is what the batteries were doing anyway. So yeah, that's the battery eliminator from AIEVE, however you might want to pronounce it. And yeah, the Blink battery free video doorbell. I hope you enjoyed the video and it has been of help to someone. Until next time, thanks for watching.